Hotel Wi-Fi password.
Excuse me, I cannot connect to the hotel Wi-Fi.
Let me help you with that.
Thank you. My phone shows the networks, but all of them asks for a password.
The correct network name is Learn English with Daniel. Are you choosing that one?
I tried to connect 3 Wi-Fis. I guess I chose that network. I see Learn English with Daniel on my screen.
Great. The password is on your room key card holder.
Oh, I did not notice it.
That's okay. It is printed under the room number.
I see it now. Is the first letter capital?
Yes, the first letter is capital.
Let me try again. One moment, please.
Sure. Please take your time.
It still says the password is wrong.
May I check the card holder?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. This is yesterday's password. We changed it this morning.
That explains the problem.
I'm sorry about that. The new password is subscribe.
Subscribe. Do I need capital S?
Yes, capital S.
Okay, now it is connecting.
Good. Do you see the hotel page?
Yes, it says accept the terms.
Please tap accept, and then the internet should work.
Done. It works now.
Wonderful. The Wi-Fi is free in all rooms and in the lobby.
Is it strong enough for a video call?
Of course, yes. The internet is fast and reliable enough for everyone to make video calls at the same time from any room.
I have an online meeting later, so that is helpful.
That is okay. We also have a quiet business corner near the windows.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Please, let's know if you need anything else.
Small talk with a neighbor.
Good evening. Are you moving into apartment 4B?
Yes, I am. I just carried the last box upstairs.
Welcome to the building. I live in apartment 4A next door.
Nice to meet you. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you, Emma. I'm Tom. Do you need any help?
Thank you, but I think I am done for today.
That's good. Moving can be very tiring.
It really is. My arms are tired and I still need to unpack.
Take your time. The first night is always a little messy.
Yes, I can only find my kettle and 1 cup.
That's enough for tea at least.
Exactly. Is this building usually quiet?
Generally, yes. The neighbors are friendly and the street is not too loud.
That's nice to hear. I was worried about traffic noise.
The morning can be busy, but after mornings are calm.
Great. Is there a grocery store near here?
Yes, there is a small one on the corner. It closes at 9.
Perfect. I need water and some bread.
There is also a bakery across the street.
That sounds good. I love fresh bread in the morning.
Then you will like this area. The bakery opens very early.
Good. I have to work tomorrow, so that helps.
Do you work nearby?
Yes, my office is only 15 minutes away by bus.
That's very good. The bus stop is near the park gate.
Thank you for telling me. I still do not know the streets.
Do not worry. If you need anything, you can knock on my door.
That's very kind. I feel better already.
Welcome again, Emma.
Thank you, Tom. Have a nice evening.
Phone password reset.
Hi, I need help with my phone password.
Sure. What seems to be the problem?
I changed my password last night, but now I cannot remember it.
I understand. Is this your phone?
Yes, it is. I have my ID with me if you need it.
Thank you. For safety, I need to check your ID and your phone number.
Of course. Here is my ID.
Thank you. Please tell me the phone number on this account.
It is 555-3084-172.
Great. That matches our system.
Can you unlock it here?
I cannot see your old password, but I can help you reset access.
Will I lose my photos?
If your phone has a cloud backup, your photos should be safe.
I think backup is on, but I'm not sure.
We can check after we verify your account.
Okay, what should I do first?
First, I will send a code to your email address.
I can open my email on my laptop.
Good. Please type the code here when you receive it.
One moment. I have it now. It is 482910.
Thank you. The code is correct.
Great. What happens now?
Now you can make a new password.
Does it need numbers?
Yes. Use at least 6 numbers and do not use your birthday.
Good idea. I will choose something I can remember.
Also, write a hint in a safe place, not on the phone.
I will. The phone is opening now.
Excellent. Please check your photos and messages.
They are still here. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Be careful with your new password.
Lunch break.
Emma, is this seat free?
Yes, Tom, you can sit here. I was just opening my lunchbox.
Thanks. The office kitchen is very busy today.
Everyone came for lunch at the same time.
What did you bring today?
I brought rice, chicken, and a small salad. What about you?
I bought a sandwich from the shop downstairs.
That shop is quick, but the line can be long.
Yes, but today I was lucky. There were only 2 people before me.
Nice. Do you have a meeting after lunch?
Yes, I have a short meeting at 1 o'clock.
Then you still have about 30 minutes.
Good. I want to eat slowly today.
You looked very busy this morning.
I was. I had many emails and one report to finish.
Did you finish the report?
Almost. I need to check the numbers one more time.
That is a good idea. Small mistakes can be hard to see.
True. How is your project going?
It is going well, but I need more time.
Is the deadline this Friday?
Yes, Friday afternoon. I think I can finish it.
Let me know if you need help with the slides.
Thank you. I may ask you tomorrow.
Anytime you can ask. Oh, your salad looks fresh.
It is. I added tomatoes and cucumbers.
I should bring lunch from home more often.
It saves money, and it can be healthier.
You're right. Maybe I will try tomorrow.
Start with something simple.
Good advice. Now I need to enjoy this sandwich before my meeting.
Yes, eat first. Work can wait for 10 minutes.
Buying snacks for a match.
Hi, I need some snacks before the football match starts.
Sure. We have chips, popcorn, sandwiches, and cold drinks.
The stadium looks busy today.
Yes, the match starts in 20 minutes, so many people are buying snacks now.
I should choose quickly then.
No rush. I can take your order when you are ready.
What is the fastest snack to carry?
Chips and a bottle of water are easy to carry.
That sounds good. Do you have spicy chips?
Yes, we have spicy chips and plain chips.
I'll take 1 spicy chips, please.
Sure. Would you like a drink with that?
Yes, 1 cold water.
Small or large bottle?
Large, please. I do not want to leave my seat during the match.
Good idea. The lines can be long at halftime.
Do you also have a small sandwich?
Yes, we have cheese sandwiches and chicken sandwiches.
Is the chicken sandwich hot?
It is warm, but not very hot.
I'll take 1 chicken sandwich.
Okay, 1 spicy chips, 1 large water, and 1 chicken sandwich.
That's right. How much is it?
It is $12.50.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, please tap your card here.
Done.
Thank you. Here is your receipt.
Great. Do I need a bag?
I can give you a small paper bag.
Yes, please. It will be easier to carry.
Here you go. Be careful with the sandwich.
Thanks. Which way is section C?
Go straight and turn left after the blue sign.
Perfect. I hope I don't miss the first goal.
You still have time. Enjoy the match.
Amusement park entrance.
Excuse me, is this the entrance for online tickets?
Yes, it is. Please have your ticket ready on your phone.
I have it here, but the screen is a little dark.
That's okay. Please make the screen brighter.
One moment, is this better?
Yes, much better. I can scan it now.
Great. I bought one adult ticket for today.
Let me check. Yes, one adult ticket. Valid for today only.
Perfect. Do I need a paper wristband?
Yes, I will give you a blue wristband.
What is the wristband for?
It shows that you can enter the rides and leave the park for a short break.
So I can go out and come back later?
Yes, but please keep the wristband on your wrist.
Okay, what time does the park close?
The park closes at 8 tonight.
And what time is the parade?
The small parade starts at 5 near the main fountain.
Nice. Is the roller coaster open today?
Yes, it is open, but the line is about 30 minutes.
That's not too bad.
The water ride is shorter right now.
Good to know. Is there a map?
Yes, here is a park map. The rides are marked in red.
Thank you. Where are the restrooms?
They are on the right, beside the first snack shop.
Great. I want to walk around first.
That is a good idea. The park is easy to follow.
Thank you for explaining everything.
You're welcome. Have a fun day at the park.
Exam study plan.
Emma, the English exam is next week, and I feel nervous.
I feel nervous too, but we can make a study plan.
Good idea. I don't want to study everything at the last minute.
Then let's divide the work into small parts.
What should we study first?
I think we should start with listening practice.
Listening is hard for me when people speak fast.
Same here. We can listen to short conversations first.
Like the ones from class?
Yes, we can listen once for the main idea and again for details.
That sounds useful. What about vocabulary?
We should review 20 words each day.
20 words is okay. More than that feels too much.
I agree. We need to remember them, not just read them.
Should we write example sentences?
Yes, simple sentences are enough.
For grammar, I need help with the past tense.
We can practice regular verbs today and irregular verbs tomorrow.
Good plan. What time should we study?
Maybe 1 hour after dinner.
That works for me. I can focus better in the evening.
Let's also take short breaks.
Yes, 10 minutes after every 40 minutes.
Perfect. We should not study for 3 hours without stopping.
I did that before and I forgot everything.
Same. A calm plan is better.
Can we do speaking practice on Friday?
Yes, we can ask and answer simple questions.
Great. I feel more confident now.
Me too. We just need to follow the plan.
Let's write it down before we forget.
Good idea. First step listening practice tonight.
Renting a scooter.
Hi, I'd like to rent a scooter for 1 hour.
Sure. Have you rented from us before?
No, this is my first time.
Do not worry. I can explain everything.
Thank you. I want to ride around the river path.
That's a nice route. It is flat and easy for beginners.
Good. Do I need a helmet?
Yes, a helmet is required.
Okay. Do you have one in medium size?
Yes, we do. Please try this one.
It fits well.
Great. I also need to see your ID.
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. The rental is $10 for 1 hour.
What happens if I return it late?
After 1 hour, it is $5 for each extra 30 minutes.
I understand. Can I pay by card?
Yes, card is fine.
Are there any places where I cannot ride?
Please do not ride on busy streets. Use the bike path and the park road.
Okay. Is the scooter electric?
Yes, but it has a slow mode for beginners.
I prefer slow mode.
Good choice. Press this button to start and use this brake to stop.
Let me try standing on it.
Hold the handle with both hands.
Like this?
Yes. Keep your feet steady and look ahead.
It feels safe.
Great. Please return the scooter to this desk.
Do I need to lock it if I stop?
Yes, use this small lock if you take a break.
Thank you. I will be careful.
Enjoy your ride.
At the optician.
Hello, I think I need my glasses adjusted. And
Of course, are they too tight or too loose?
they feel too loose. They slide down my nose when I read.
I can take a look. May I see the glasses?
Yes, here they are.
Thank you. The frame is in good condition.
That's good. I was afraid it was broken.
No, it only needs a small adjustment.
Will it take a long time?
No, just a few minutes.
Great. I need them for work this afternoon.
Do you wear them all day?
Mostly when I read or use the computer.
Then the fit is important. Loose glasses can make your eyes tired.
That explains why I feel uncomfortable.
I will tighten the arms gently.
Thank you. Is there a charge for this?
No, simple adjustments are free.
That's very nice.
Please try them now.
They feel better already.
Look down a little. Do they still move?
No, they stay in place.
Good. Are they comfortable behind your ears?
Yes, they are not too tight.
Perfect. Do you need new cleaning cloths?
Actually, yes. Mine is old.
We have small cloths near the counter.
I'll take one.
Sure, that is $2.
Here you go.
Thank you. Clean the lenses with this cloth, not with paper.
I will remember that.
Good. Please come back if the frame feels uncomfortable again.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a clear day.
Evening concert.
Emma, the concert lights look beautiful tonight.
They really do. The stage looks bigger than I expected.
I can already hear people cheering.
Everyone is excited. The singer will come out soon.
Did we find the right seats?
Let me check the tickets. We are in row G, seats 14 and 15.
Then these are our seats.
Great. We can see the stage clearly from here.
I am glad we came early.
Me too. If we came later, it would be hard to walk through the crowd.
Do you want some water before the concert starts?
I already have a small bottle in my bag.
Good. I bought one outside too.
The music before the show is nice.
Yes, it makes the room feel warm.
Look, the lights are getting darker.
That means the concert is about to start.
I feel excited. I waited for this all week.
Same here. This is my first live concert this year.
Mine too. I hope they sing our favorite song.
I think they will. It is their most popular song.
The band is coming onto the stage.
Listen to the crowd.
Wow, it is so loud.
The drummer is waving.
The singer has the microphone now.
Here we go. The first song is starting.
I know this song.
Me too. It sounds even better live.
This was a great idea.
Yes, after the concert, we can talk about our favorite parts.
Definitely. For now, let's enjoy the music.
Agreed. This night feels special.
It really does.